Today we're visiting Heidelberger Druckmaschinen, one of the largest manufacturers of printing systems worldwide, located in Wiesloch, close to Heidelberg. The company was founded in 1850 and employs close to 15,000 people all around the world. It has its own manufacturing division and numerous sales and service organizations. Mr. Riedel, what's the situation at Heidelberger Druck with regard to your own electronic manufacturing?
Since
1977, Heidelberger Druck has had its own electronic manufacturing division, and we currently have over 23 operators and technicians. The division is positioned to efficiently and profitably produce the electronic assemblies required by our internal customers. Heidelberger develops and designs board assemblies in a variety of connecting and assembly technologies. A Heidelberger Druck printing system consists of the pre-press stage, the actual offset printing stage, and the post-processing stage. For the equipment required in these different stages, a number of electronic circuits are required. They're needed for the pre-press stage and direct imaging with their main drives of up to 42 kilowatts, and for smaller drives for the color control sensor technology, as well as for computer units for the centralized and decentralized areas. Heidelberger is a partner for sophisticated electronics for both our internal as well as our external customers. We offer to both of them the complete product range, starting from product development, including qualification, design, and up to production and assembly.
Inklusive Qualifizierung, Design, Produktion und Montage an.
Why do you place such importance on repairing board assemblies? The concept of customer satisfaction is not just words for Heidelberger. Our employees live up to this ideal day in, day out. We strive to enable our customers to use their Heidelberger Druck systems on a daily basis, even after 25 years of operation. If one or the other component of an assembly should fail, the assembly will be repaired, tested, and returned to the global market as a certified original replacement part. We also use the rework system from ASA both in our product development process as well as for series production. The challenges in board repair are the variety of board materials and components, as well as exotic components of various shapes and sizes. What made you choose ASA as the supplier of your system? Nothing happens without a comprehensive evaluation. An evaluation of equipment is standard procedure at Heidelberger, and it's carried out on a regular basis. For the rework station, the evaluation criteria were as follows: simplest operation, safe profiling, repeatable processes, visualization of the soldering and desoldering process, homogeneous heat distribution on the printed circuit board, and a high level of flexibility, for example, for situations when SMDs on a densely packed board need to be worked on or where components are in close proximity to THT components. Last year, after the analysis of all the data gathered, we decided in favor of the ASA IRPL 650. Herr Walk, how do you, as key account manager, support the customer? We had done soldering trials for Heidelberger Druckmaschinen in our technology center in Wertheim, where our experts very quickly realized that the technology of the IRPL 650 would suit the requirements of the customer. The system was subsequently evaluated at Heidelberger Druck for a period of 14 days, after which it was taken over. Mr. Riedel, you purchased right away. For the final selection of the equipment, ASA's rework system was able to meet all our additional requirements during the evaluation period. Without any problems, it proved to be very capable of performing the tasks we required it to perform. In addition, ASA provided us with a demo system for a certain period of time, and during this time, ASA did not neglect us. They have provided extensive education and training for us, so that we were able to utilize the equipment for certain rework applications. During this evaluation period as well, the process was successfully optimized so that we were able to keep rework costs as low as possible while achieving a high level of quality. This, in the end, convinced us, and we decided to purchase the tool. Mr. Walk, you've done everything right. Yes, our focal point is not only superior technology, but also customer satisfaction. We've done our best to transact this order from Heidelberger Druck in as short a period of time as possible, and with our technological products, we could offer exactly the right product for the customer's applications. Mr. Riedel, what's your experience of your cooperation with ASA? For over 15 years now, ASA has been a highly competent partner for Heidelberger Druck in the area of selective soldering and rework. There's a continuous exchange of ideas and knowledge on a technological level, be it at open meetings by us visiting ASA or by ASA coming to our facility. This level of cooperation offers excellent potential to optimize our process and brings numerous improvements. Mr. Kraus, as Vice President, you're responsible for the sales and marketing group at ERSA. What would you like to add to these statements?
Wir leben in einer partnerschaftlichen Beziehung.
We maintain cooperative relations with our customers, and it's therefore extremely important for us to always understand their needs and requirements. Over the years of cooperation, we together learn to improve a customer's process, which, when implemented, constitutes an added value for the customer. On account of our broad product range, hand soldering, rework, inspection, printer or soldering equipment, we get a lot of feedback from our multitude of customers, feedback which gets implemented in our products. And since ERSA is present worldwide, we can offer our service to Heidelberger Druck worldwide.
Aufgestellt sind, können wir der Heidelberger Druckmaschinen AG auch einen weltweiten Service bieten.
Mr. Riedel, what do you value in this cooperation? In our cooperation with ERSA, I value very much their flexibility, the high level of competence of our contacts in the sales and service department, the technology, and last but not least, the excellent product quality. Do you see room for improvement? There's always potential for improvement, but with the IRPL 650 rework systems, we've invested in an all-round carefree package, and we know that ERSA will, tomorrow and in the future as well, be prepared to satisfy our demands. Mr. Walk, Mr. Riedel, Mr. Kraus, thank you for this conversation.